Good day, everybody. Welcome to Cold Lake, Alberta, Legoff, Alberta, October 21st, 2020. I'm just giving you a COVID update of as today. Okay, as of today, we had 335 total tests complete, 295 negative, 5 positive, 2 recovered, and 31 pending. Thank you to the members that were directly affected by the virus for being forthcoming and honest with your information that you have supplied to the health center. By being honest, we have been able to slow the spread of COVID-19 in our community so far. We want to ensure that the people will continue to be open and honest with communicating with our health center when it comes to contact tracing. We want to be able to continue to isolate potential carriers of this virus. Even though you have been tested negative, we want to stress that the fact that isolation is still severely important, as you may have been exposed to COVID-19. The isolation requirements are 14 days if you test negative, and 10 days or until your symptoms are gone, whichever is longer. If you test positive, any individual who is feeling unwell with cold or flu-like symptoms, you are asked to stay home. So if you're sick or you have any symptoms, please stay home and contact the health center to complete the proper testings. We have been advised by Alberta Health Services we will be following the Public Health Order 05-2020, which looks like this. This is requiring isolation requirements, and we will have that posted on our website and Facebook page. If your isolation is breached in any way, you will receive a verbal reminder from public health officials. If you continue to disobey, a written order will be written by the medical officer of health and co-delivered by public health officials and the RCMP. If the act still continues, you will be subject to the fine of $1,000. Courts can also administer fines up to $500,000, $500,000 for a subsequent offense for more serious violations. Yeah, I don't think anybody has that money. I don't know where you're going to get that money from, but that's a lot of money, man. So please listen to the advisories and, our warnings, Can't stress that enough, where the cases went down to 5, but they can jump any day. So just listen to the notices, advisories, their precautionary measures just for the safety of members. We are not yet in the clear of this. We still need to be very cautious by practicing social distancing and hand washing and sanitizing wherever possible. Yeah, just social distance and sanitize your hands and wash them as much as you can. Okay, and for Halloween, if you're going to partake in Halloween celebrations, we will have the information online in relation to Alberta Health Services guidelines that will give you ideas on how to distribute treats and candy in the safest way possible. We will also have other activities that will come available to see on our website and Facebook regarding this holidays. Yeah, so there's lots of stuff happening, there's costume, you email your pics in before and after, even with and we're asking for treats or baked goods or whatever, something on the Halloween, but with culture sensitive, I'm not really too sure what the prizes are available, but there'll be some good prizes, I imagine. And, okay, well, let's talk about Christmas. We already got to start about Christmas, but, let's deal with Halloween first. But we will need to get prepared for Christmas, as it will be much different this year. As it comes closer, we will be advising you of the restrictions that will be put in place for the festive times of the year. Large family gatherings will not be allowed during this Christmas season to assist our community in flattening the curve of COVID-19. Yeah, so that was our update for today. Love you guys out there, and you guys stay safe, and let's flatten this curve. It's still a long way in progress, but hopefully there's a cure here one day. But there's lots of money put in there. Canada put $1 billion in there to put in for six cures, but I don't know. It's just still in the making. So, but we're all watching. We're trying to curb this everywhere, worldwide. Masichok, and you guys have a good day, and love you all. Enjoy the snow.